Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hafiz. So in this Laravel video we will learn about the markdown mail template in Laravel. In the previous video we have learned route model binding in Laravel. So in this video we will learn how to customize the email template in Laravel. Suppose if we are sending an email and we want to customize our mail template according to requirement, then Laravel provides the markdown mail templates in Laravel. So let us see how to create the markdown template, and also we will learn how to customize this template. For that we need to open the project which we have created in the previous video. So let us open the project. This is the project which we have created in the previous video. So let us open the text editor. I am using the Sublime text editor. You can use VS Code, and also you can use the Atom and Notepad++, etc. So let us see how to create the markdown template. For that we need to open the command prompt and write the command php artisan make mail and the name of mail template, example email, hyphen markdown. And we need to pass the name of folder, emails dot example email. Hit enter. Now you can see mail created successfully. So let us see where is the mail created. Actually it creates the one folder inside the app. You can find mail folder inside the app, and inside this folder you can see example email file is created. It's returning the emails dot example emails view, or we can say that markdown. So open the resource folder. Inside the resource you can find emails folder, and inside the emails folder you can see examples email. So let us check this view or template. We can say that markdown template. For that open the routes folder and web.php. Delete this route, we don't need, and comment this. First of all we need to import the example email which we have created. Use app mail example email return new. Save this file. So let's refresh this page. Now you can see we are getting this email template. So you can customize this template according to your requirements. Suppose if we want to write here h1, save this file. Now refresh this page. Now you can see we are getting here. So if you want to customize this template according to Laravel documentation, so open the Laravel official documentations. Now inside this documentation, these are the commands which we have already used to create the markdown template. So if you want to panel, then you can use this, copy this and paste below the button and save this file. So let us refresh this page. Now you can see we are getting this panel. You can write which you want here according to your requirement. Suppose if you want to use the table, then you can use the table also, mail table, and paste below this panel. Save this file. So again refresh this page. Now you can see we are getting a table. This is the example table. You can customize this table according to your requirement. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. And in the upcoming video we will learn how to send the email in Laravel. So this is only introduction video how to and about how to create the markdown email template and how to customize these templates. So thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.